A young teenager's positive message, meant for just one person to hear, is now reaching millions. Take a look.
You can see me. Get out of here, bub. And you matter, all right? There's always going to be somebody that cares about you. And you're a good person. No matter what people say, you matter. Ignore them. They're losers. They're ding-dong ditching you. I'm just trying to say something nice. Like, I don't know what they're doing. They're running away and stuff. I'm just trying to say that you matter, man. Or girl. Whoever you are, you matter to someone. Just keep that in mind. Don't forget that.
Amazing. That's 13-year-old Jackson Prell of Brainerd. But to people around the world, he's an inspiration.
I just saw the doorbell camera when we were walking to the gas station. And I just thought maybe I should say something nice to it. And you matter, all right? There's always going to be somebody that cares about you. And you're a good person. No matter what people say, you matter. Because my friends were ding-dong ditching those cameras, and I was like, you know what, how about I go say something nice? Maybe they need to hear it.
Have you ever done that before?
No.
It didn't matter to Jackson Prell who heard his message, just that someone did. In this case, it was Ashley Mann, who was on vacation when her phone got an alert.
Just like going through the footage and getting rid of the notifications, and then I saw some kids at the doorbell, and I like watched it, and I was like, wow. That was really powerful.
I'm just trying to say that you matter, man. Or girl.
She understands the gravity of his words.
I am a mental health guide at Central Lakes College.
And the impact they can have on someone who's struggling.
This young kid came up to my random doorbell to just say, hey, like, you matter. Like, just wanting to spread kindness and, you know, positivity. And it just made me feel like I should do the same thing.
Mann uploaded the video on TikTok to pay his message forward, unaware how quickly it would go viral.
Within 11 hours, it hit 1 million, and then about a week later, it hit 5.
One of those views was a humbled Jackson.
I'm not trying to get famous or something like that. I was just trying to say something nice, and now this is happening, so I'm just kind of going with it.
The video left his mother, Carissa, beaming.
My heart just expanded so proudly.
But not surprised.
He's told me before that he'll stand up for kids, like if he feels someone's being singled out or bullied, that he'll intervene and try to be a distraction so that that kid isn't so targeted.
How far can those words really go for someone who's struggling?
I mean, it goes a long ways. And just reading the comments of like, some people were like, hey, my girlfriend broke up with me today. I really needed to hear this.
Someone mentioning that they were going to commit suicide sometime soon, and then the video made them change their mind about it.
A heavy thought, brought to you by words of a teenager that carry so much weight.
Whoever you are, you matter to someone. Just keep that in mind. Don't forget that.
I feel like our lives have changed. All right. Jackson and his mom have connected with Ashley over TikTok and Facebook, and they're planning to get together soon with Ashley's kids as well. Ashley was new to the neighborhood. They'd never met. What a surprise and welcome, if you will.
How did you find him?
I came across a video on Facebook. So the Facebook version has 3.5 million views, but it said Brainerd, Minnesota in the corner. I'm like, I got to figure out where this kid is. And you start digging and digging and digging. You go into TikTok, and there it is. 5 million views. A message later. Hey, we're here telling the story.
Good on Jackson, but good on Jackson's family, too.
Yes, a lot of compliments in the comment section were shout out to the parents for instilling such positivity. I mean, there's a little natural in him, you could hear it, but that also come from how you're raised, too. So
Such a sweet story.